Everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today, I'm going to cook Shanghai Noodles. I will be stir frying these noodles with vegetarian chassio, prawns, squid, and an assortment of healthy vegetables. Come along with me to see how this noodle is made. First, we will cook the baby pak choy. In a pot of boiling water, add a bit of salt and a bit of the oil. Put in the baby pak choy. After 1 minute of blanching, take it out and put it aside. Now we will make our sauce, which consists of 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of black sweet rice vinegar. If you do not have this, just put ordinary vinegar. It will work as well. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Give it a good stir and put it aside. Let's look at this platter of ingredients. This is vegetarian chassio. It imparts a smoky aroma to the noodles. Then we have the prawns and the squid rings. We are going to marinate the prawns and the squid rings. Add about a quarter teaspoon each for each of the prawn and squid ring, and a quarter teaspoon of salt for each of them. Mix well. Put aside to marinate. Now this is the platter of vegetables consisting of julienne carrots, julienne red bell pepper, julienne yellow bell pepper. So we also have bean sprouts or taugeh and julienne big Bombay onions. Let's cook all these and put them together. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Then cook the prawns first. So we are going to cook the prawns over medium heat, 1 minute on each side. We are actually going to completely cook it. Later we'll introduce it to the noodles. So after 1 minute, turn it to the other side and continue to cook for another minute. So at that point, the prawns would be completely cooked. So then we put it aside. Okay, so then the next thing to cook are our squid rings. So we are going to cook 1 minute on each side over medium flame. So turn on the other side and also cook for 1 minute and then take it out and put aside. Then comes our vegetarian chassio. This is already cooked, so basically we are just going to heat it up and we're going to stir fry it for about 2 minutes, and that will make it nice and completely smoky, the aroma. Okay, the platter of vegetables now. We are going to start to brown the onions first. So put it in and then get the onions to be browned and stir fry for about 30 seconds over high heat. Then we have got our julienne carrots, stir fry for another 30 seconds. Then our julienne yellow bell peppers and red bell peppers, put it in and stir fry for another 30 seconds. Here is 400 grams of Japanese udon noodles. I could not find Shanghai noodles in the supermarket, so Japanese udon noodle is a good substitute. If you can find it in your local supermarket or online, then it is good for you. Yeah, so you just cook according to the package instruction before you introduce it into the wok. So stir fry for 3 minutes. Then we can add other ingredients now. Introduce the taugeh. Put in the taugeh first. So taugeh is the bean sprout. I add it last because I want my taugeh to be crunchy, yeah, and not overcooked and soggy. So that's why I put it last. Then stir fry for 1 minute. Put in back our squid rings together with our delicious sauce that comes with the squid rings. Then our vegetarian chassio, the prawns, and also we want to put the sauce in at the stage. So put in about 2/3 of the prepared sauce. Then you gauge and see whether it's enough, dark enough, sweet enough, sour enough. So then before you add more, yeah, or if it is enough, that will do. So then you mix it, stir fry for about 2 minutes over medium heat. Put back our baby pak choy that we have blanched earlier and stir fry it for another couple of minutes. Presto! Our Shanghai noodles is ready. It is a very healthy dish as I use only 1 tablespoon of oil for the whole dish. This dish was served in my cruise holiday in the fine dining. It was so delicious that I told myself that I have to recreate it. It sure comes close to it. Do give this recipe a try, and as always, happy cooking!